Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Kajingwan len shop jong kajingpang kelam COVID-19 hagane ke jela Meghalaya hagane ke kenti ke baar kalami kajing dawa ke bajur bha ne kipait ba ban leithit udawai kuli paracetamol bat ya udawai kuli vitamin C ne ki pharmacy ki badan ha keleng ki benta jong ke sar Shillong. Habaya keren bat ki katto kat nengot ki nong de dawai ha ki pharmacy clear tho bakini ki artli ki dawai kuli ki la sedang banduna bha namar baki pat ba ki le ya be hado kata-kata ban leithit yakini ki artli ki jat dawai shusho clear tho ru bamanta ka kenti ka jingya be jong ki pat ba ban leithit ki dawai thet kti bat ye ki surgical mask kala thnam bha nado bakane ka jingpang khlam kalawan lenshap teng e hakane ka jilla Kilaya thoru ba ya udawai kuli paracetamol la desh ki pat ba tang la da kilawan ra ya ki jingtho ne ki prescription kabala ai de ki doctor kat ba ya udawai kuli vitamin C la de ba kumto wat la ki pat ba kimdan satyaru ya ki jingtho bala ai de ki doctor
Sote tamba minat menunggu haban ni namun tak pat bata dan kami kada wai yang ading dan kami dan kita kithiat bhai paracetamol azithromycin itu hijing dan kami dan ki badai dan shitmat dan kada wai BPE kumba judi regular kumta dawai spoil
ki dawai itu ni ki doxycycline ni kita ki dawai ivermectin gitu ki multivitamin gitu itu kalau kita biar mana sih wan untuk lap leo untuk leo sini Monday ber Friday dia tiap hari pun kalau mentar lagi itu nih ya apa sih kan ki bahawan train tadi mah mang kesini itu ada lagi di indah mau safe tak kalau lah tujuan itu
Ni hap hi ban pli dan indi ban pli ki ni yo subuh gin yo yo kle ni ya ki siat te ki hap anti masih ya ta ko ko gin ni hospital ki chin jar ni kada ta kada ni hap hi ban wa pli kan.
Some people they used to come and buy the medicine but luckily those are patient they used to buy this medicine but the patient also improving multivitamin and cough syrup what are the necessary depend on patient they find out and they cure also tiger muscle vitamin C also sometimes short supply Shillong headquarters but we are getting sometimes if they available then after requirement. So I give the order, then they deliver.
Idan ni kajing siya, hindi pa lang hakrihi ani siguro ni idan ibu dekat protokol jang government ni. Dawai bayar kami tadi ki paracetamol, ORS, vitamin C, bagi multivitamin C. Kadang hi shortage supply kum multivitamin dan hi ba yo shortage supply vitamin C bagi dan shortage supply. Paracetamol yang mentar hi kidan hi vitamin C dan na stock kan de kum dan different brand tam vitamin C am bagi beliau ki prefer lim C mentar hangni guna stock ha bun manginyo hi ra kan. Okay ta.
Market now is quite down, but the thing is that patient lots of they are coming. It means they are really scared of this disease and all. So if they are having like little bit of cough or something like that, they are coming to show the doctor regarding the disease. They are scared if they will be suffering from corona or something like that. That's why. See, in many of the clinic, doctors are not available, but in few of the clinics, the doctors are available. So this is very helpful for the patient, because nowadays most of them, they are suffering from like cough, like fever. Then most doctors, they don't want to see it. That's why you can see in other clinic also there are doctors are not available. But in our clinic, doctors are available. In morning also, evening also, doctors are available. Some of the patients, they only have said me, the doctors are scared to see the patient. They think that if they will get the disease, that corona disease, because it's a communicable disease. That's why only they think that if they will get that disease, then how they will cope up. Because of that scaredness, maybe doctors are not sitting in the clinics. Usually now the medicine is that vitamin C and paracetamol. Everybody is asking for these things.
So
These two medicines are in high demand. Means this LIMSI is like a company. This is a common company. Everybody who comes here, they take the name of LIMSI. But other products are also available. Yes, because LIMSI, it helps a lot. Because once who is in like your professional line of the this doctor and all, they knows that LIMSI, it really helps. If you take one tablet, it's a chewable tablet. You can give it to anybody. If you take this really helps in means growth of the immunity. Now the demand for vitamin also is very high. Vitamin, you can say paracetamol is there, and many other means like cough, fever. This medicine are also in high demand. People are wanting for all these things also. They come. In this pandemic, the demand for medicine is higher. Before, nobody used to buy so much of paracetamol. Nobody used to give importance to like sanitizer, like vitamin C. But now everybody, even an uneducated person also, he comes and asks for vitamin C, because he is scared that he don't want to suffer from corona, because he have heard from somewhere, or I don't know, that if you take vitamin C, that it will really help you for corona. That's why now that there is a great demand. The person who doesn't need also paracetamol, they are keeping in their house by taking it from pharmacy or anywhere. They are taking means like vitamin C, like some vitamin, and many other things like Chyawanprash also, you can say, for increasing the immunity of a person. They are taking it. Before it was not like that. Yeah, these things I really want to say, because see, the vaccination they should give to the pharmacy people who are working. For them, the government should look, I think so, because I have already registered for the vaccination. But the thing is that I'm not getting the slot, because whether I will book the slot or whether I will look the patient, or means I have to look all over the shop also. And in slot, it's like so much of rush. You won't get within second. That slot used to be full. But I think means if government can make some arrangement for the means for the pharmacy people to give some vaccination, all that will be really very helpful. Because
market is not that great due to the lockdown. There is not a lot of customers, so that's why we're facing a lot of issues regarding that. Vitamin C, yeah, like with content zinc as well. Vitamin C and zinc as well. Those kind of things are which are in demand right now. There are a lot of shortages regarding the vitamin C tablets and all. There's a lot of shortages regarding that. Like we have kept a little bit in a stock, but even that's gonna run out very soon. So we have spoken with the wholesalers. They said that it might come very soon. Like we are not sure when it will come. So we've been just like waiting on, hoping that it will come out very soon. The thing is that it's very important for us, because we are everyone is in the front line. Like us, we are on the front line. Like if we take vaccination, it's safe for us as well. As if we take the vaccination, we'll be able to serve the other people very betterly. The government should look after everyone, not just us. As a mean word, they should look after us, the common people, and everyone else. There has been a lot of increase in vitamin C regarding this one, as well as the sanitizers and the mask. Before this COVID, there was no such kind of like demand in this kind of things. But due to the uprising in COVID, it has like the demand on this kind of products has risen a lot. Institutions were not supposed to provide it, because what happens, like when a person is taken with like paracetamol, right? It avoids from the person who is suffering from COVID to get detected. So as per the government regulations, we don't provide any paracetamol tablets without any prescription as such. The market demand as it is right now, all the medicines are selling a bit less, but we are selling more of anti-cold tablets, paracetamols, ivermectin is there a bit, and cough syrups and all are selling a bit. Okay, and overall, the rest of them is selling as a normal thing, which people are used to buying the prolonged disease problems. They are buying their regular medicines, and the sales of protein drinks have gone high, like Protein X, Ensure. Those are going high because people are more reluctant to get proteins and high protein diets. So those are much higher in sale, like Horlicks, Protein X. Yeah, I think it'll be able to, because the glitches are coming in the distributor part. Because if the banks are closed, then there were some feedbacks that that the transactions can't take place with the companies. So if that continues, it'll be like a problem for the distributor to procure the medicine and supply to the retailers. Actually, most of the patients, Dr. Asket, will be coming, most of the patients will be coming with fever, high fever, or maybe some kind of cold and all. So it's better advice for them to, go to the particular hospital and get them checked there. So that was we advise. We never give them some medication. We advise them to go to the doctor and go properly. Because at this time, we should all think, if you're having some problem, we should all think we are asymptomatic and we should go and see a doctor as soon as possible. Yeah, they should be. Actually, we all are vaccinated, except our 2 staffs. They are the frontline workers. So 2 of our staffs are already vaccinated. We are all vaccinated. So we want it becomes health workers, in the front line. So if they get vaccinated, all of them, it will be much better from the government side. And we'll be very thankful if they can get them vaccinated. Yeah, except what you told for the vitamin C, zinc, the mask, the gloves, the demands are more. Oximeters have come up more. At this second wave, the oximeters have come up more and more. The demand has come more. Yeah, Dr. It's a concern.